Coffee, top health benefits. Yes, mushroom coffee is a thing. While it may not sound particularly appetizing, it offers some pretty amazing health benefits. Don't worry, mushroom coffee does not taste like mushrooms. It's coffee made using medicinal mushroom extracts. All you need to make it is a cup of hot water and some mushroom extract powder. Number 1. Provides anti-cancer benefits. Mushroom coffee health benefits include anti-cancer properties. A 2015 study found that the chaga mushroom, a mushroom commonly used to make mushroom coffee, exhibited anti-cancer properties on colorectal cancer cell lines. As a cancer-fighting food, mushroom coffee takes your morning cup of a joe to a whole new level. Number 2. Provides the body with antioxidants. Mushroom coffee health benefits include the ability to provide the body with the healing antioxidants. Research has shown that mushroom coffee health benefits include disease-fighting and anti-aging properties, even stronger than those of green tea. The powerful antioxidants in mushrooms can help protect the body from disease. Number 3. Decrease oxidative stress. Mushrooms coffee health benefits include the ability to decrease oxidative stress. The antioxidants works to fight off free radicals that causes damage to cells. By reducing oxidative stress, mushroom coffee can help protect the body from chronic disease like cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and Parkinson's disease, as well as eye problems, including cataracts. Number 4. Boost liver health. Mushroom coffee health benefits include improved liver health. The reishi mushroom, often used to make mushroom coffee, contain adaptogens that help improve liver function and prevent liver disease. Adaptogens work by encouraging the body to flush out waste and other toxins. Number 5. Aids in digestive and diabetic health. Thanks to the polysaccharides that mushroom contains, mushroom coffee health benefits include the ability to boost digestive health. The polysaccharide act as prebiotics to help improve digestive system function. Mushroom coffee health benefits also include the ability to aid in diabetic health. Research has shown that the beta-glucans in mushrooms help decrease body weight, lower glucose levels, and reduces cholesterol and triglycerides. Mushrooms can also help improve insulin sensitivity.